CrowSwap is having a development fund happening tonight, and I'm here to tell you why you should be excited. What's going on, everyone? RJ here, and in today's video, we're going to go ahead and go over the development fund happening tonight for CrowSwap and what that all entails for you if you actually participate and meet a certain dollar amount. Now, before we get started, I'm obviously not a financial advisor. This video and this entire channel is meant for education and entertainment purposes only. This is crypto, let alone this is DeFi, so do not blindly follow me or anyone else for the matter. Make sure you guys do your own research and due diligence. We do have some exciting stuff to go over here today, so without further ado, let's dive right on in to the flight deck. Welcome to the flight deck, everyone. So first and foremost, Krug and I had a meeting this morning with members of the Kronos node / CrowSwap team, where they kind of gave us the run through on what's coming out and what's happening tonight in terms of the actual development fund. So first and foremost, let's actually take a look at the official communication and announcement happening in the Discord. This was sent to us where it says, the moment everyone has been waiting for, when CrowSwap. Today, we've got some answers for you. CrowSwap will be launching a beta platform throughout September. The launch will occur in stages throughout the month, which phase 1 is a community raise, which is happening tonight on September 7th at the time of this recording. How will the raise be allocated? The money raised during this phase 1 will be allocated towards development costs, grant applications, partnership funding, and additional business expenses. For example, external contract audits, website security testing, legal and consultancy costs. Reaching our goal will allow us to leave the Kronos node community funds untouched, speed up development, and give our community members an opportunity to reserve Crows as a set cost. Why you should participate: early access to Crows set at a minimum price. Official Discord role as shipwright, and I always love those official roles because it just makes you feel unique and special. Access to an exclusive Discord channel for more frequent development updates and sneak peeks. And of course, the coolest thing ever, which is the Founders Badge. The Founders Badge NFT with various exclusive benefits. All participants who contribute $1,000 or more will receive an exclusive Founders Badge NFT. And then on phase 2, your Crow's public launch pad, which is estimated sometime around September 20th. So that's super cool. And then of course, Social Node was able to give us a sneak peek on what the Founders Badge NFT actually looks like, which you're going to see right here. So it's got an octopus and it's kind of got the animations going, and it just fits the whole vibe that's going on in the whole CrowSwap flavor. Now, if we take a look at the actual Twitter announcements itself, it'll give you a little bit more on what the Founders Badge NFT and what that exactly means for you and if you were able to get one. This is from the CrowSwap Dex. Want a little sneak peek of the Founders Badge NFT? This badge will be your golden ticket to the following benefits: whitelist opportunities for all future Crow Navy projects, a 0.02% trading fee discount, invite to earn bonuses, and all Quartermaster and Ship NFT bonuses. Now, from my understanding in the actual meeting this morning, anything that's relating to Quartermaster and Ship related will be happening sometime in the future. Now, the official development funding was set to $500,000. And right before I created this video, I was notified that that cap went up from $500,000 to $1 million, just to give people more time to actually participate in it in case it goes too fast. Now, here's some clips from the meeting this morning where they were showing us and giving us a rundown of how CrowSwap would look like. And this is going to be on the crowswap.com official website. So this is the homepage and this is what it's going to look like. And then what they actually did was they actually wanted to show us how it would look not only on the desktop view, but as well as the mobile view. So if you take a look there, this is how it would look like on the actual mobile device. And this is how you would contribute to that development fund from the mobile device itself. Now, of course, this is one of the things I'm super excited about, which is the actual CrowSwap exchange, where you'd be able to utilize the exchange and the DEX on there to do your swapping on the Kronos chain. Throughout that meeting, we did have some alpha that we were privy to, which I cannot release right now, but definitely look forward to next week's video when we are allowed to talk about it. But it's just insanely exciting to continue seeing a project and have the privilege to actually be in a meeting with them where they get to show us, all the stuff they're working on the back end. So anyone in this for the long run is going to be excited that this team and this project is continuing to build to become the major DEX on the actual Chronos chain, looking to take market cap obviously away from Mad Meerkat. So again, this is something I am excited about. You know, the way I'm looking at this is obviously for the longer term, not something right now, which I know a lot of people are frustrated because they're wanting passive income and to make money off the nodes right now. But again, this is something that takes time to develop, and especially it's always so exciting to actually see a team continuing to work, continuing to develop, and physically seeing the stuff that they're working on is actually really, really exciting. But that is all I have to share with you guys today. If you guys did enjoy this video and you are excited about the future growth of CroSwap and Chronos nodes, do me a favor and please consider smashing that like button down below for the YouTube algorithm. Also, if you guys are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you guys are notified every single time I upload new content. Leave a comment down below. Do you believe that CroSwap has a potential to flip Mad Meerkat on the Chronos chain? I'm looking forward to seeing what everyone says. With that, if you guys have any other questions, just please post them in the comment section below. Life is too freaking short, so eat some delicious food, drink some delicious drinks, do some good in the world, spread some positive vibes, and I'm going to see everyone on the next crypto video next time.